Wow, thank you so much.
Over the last 3 decades, the Uganda AIDS Commission has been implementing HIV/AIDS services, including testing, treatment, care, and the target is to end AIDS prevalence by 2030. However, the Commission has identified gaps and challenges in the legal and policy environment that may make it difficult to achieve the set targets.
For instance, when you take the HIV Prevention and Control Act, it has a section, if you are HIV positive and you do not reveal your HIV status to your partner reports you, then that would be interpreted as intentionally trying to transmit HIV to your sexual partner. While the insertion was intended to increase probably sharing status and seeking treatment, but if persons know that it could result into illegal implications for them, they can retrieve. They may not seek HIV testing services, they may not seek information because there is a risk.
Another gap has been cited under the Penal Code Act, among others.
Criminalizes a number of either acts and practices like commercial sex work. And it means that, these people, 1, they will not seek services. 2, they may hide.
Stephen Mukasa, the Vice Chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on HIV, AIDS and Related Matters, has advocated for the localization of the laws into local languages if they are to be effective.
I feel that once this is done, the laws will be meaningful to the population.
Uganda Law Society President Fiona Wall and U.S. Ambassador to Uganda Natalie Brown expressed the need to fight HIV/AIDS-related stigma.
Many Ugandans living with HIV are not able to break away from stigma. And this is why it's so important to implement the recommendations outlined in the legal environment assessment for HIV and AIDS in Uganda.
We have children who are born with HIV whose parents are still hiding this fact and are denying them treatment. How do we address this?
Acting Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister Wilson Muruli Mukasa has assured the Commission and development partners of government support to come up with good and progressive legislation.
We are all for reform and change, and we shall support that reform and change to ensure that the law should not act as a deterrent.
Patrick Senyondo, NTV.